Guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching me, my name is Jenny. Welcome to the video. So today I have a very exciting video because I'm going to be showing you the new brow collection from Sigma Beauty. So if you're interested, then please continue watching. So first, I'm not going to be doing an unboxing of the products because as you can see, I already opened everything up. This is not going to be a first impressions video. I am going to be reviewing and showing you everything in the brow collection, but it is not a first impression. I was actually very blessed to be sent these products from Sigma Beauty, so I can't wait to show them to you guys. So Sigma Beauty really went out loud with this brow collection this time because they came out with 6 different brow products. So I'm going to be walking you through each one of them in the order that you would normally, I guess, apply them. To start off, I have the Prime and Control Brow Wax. This retails for $16 and it is supposed to be a workable wax that gets brow ready for the next steps on your routine. The second product I have is the Fill and Blend Brow Pencil. This one retails for $19 and I believe it comes in light, medium, and dark. In one end you get the brow pencil. It's a very fine point, and on the other side you do get a spoolie. The next product I have is the Define and Pose Brow Pomade. This one retails for $17 and it comes in light, medium, and dark. And they say that you can apply this with an angle brush to create your desired shape for added color, volume, and hold. So the next product I have is the Color and Shape Brow Powder Duo. This one retails for $19 and it comes in light, medium, and dark as well. Each little compact would actually give you 2 different shades so that you can custom create the perfect color. And they say that it is perfect for filling in and defining with a soft finish. They also came out with the Tint and Tame Brow Gel. This one retails for $17 and it comes in clear, light, medium, and dark. It is supposed to be a lightweight formula and it is going to help you to set your brows in place. The last product in the brow collection is the Clean Up and Highlight Brow Crayon. This one retails for $15 and it comes in just 1 shade. It's supposed to help you clean up any lines and highlight your brow bone. So those are all of the products in this brow collection. So now let's move on to the try on portion of the video. Alright, so it's pretty obvious that I need to do my brows like desperately. I still can't believe that 10 years ago I used to do a full face of makeup, smoky eye, wing liner, and didn't do my brows. Like, what was I thinking? I hope I was not the only one. But let's get right into the try on of the products. So the first product I have in the collection is actually a brow primer. This is the Prime and Control Brow Wax. It comes in the crayon pencil form and it is completely clear. On the end, you would also find as a bonus a little sharpener that you can use to, I guess, reshape the tip of the crayon pencil if you ever needed to. I am gonna be honest, I did not used to prime my brows before just because I know that it's an additional step to your normal brow routine. You won't see any color on this because, like I said, it is completely clear. But let me tell you that I've used this a few times now and I think it does help so that the brow hairs stay down and in place so that the brow, it's kind of like ready before you go in with the next products. So I know it's like an additional step to your brow routine, but if you have very thick brows or crazy hairs, I think you will love this brow wax. So the next 2 products that I want to show you are going to be the Sigma Color and Shape Brow Powder Duo. This is like a little tiny compact, but mine is in the shade medium, but I actually get 2 shades of medium. So you get a darker color and also a lighter shade. So I think that's really nice. And the compact actually comes with a little mirror. I think it's gonna be very practical when you're doing your brows. And the next product is the Define and Pose Brow Pomade. I think we've seen this similar containers for brow pomades for a while, so this is pretty standard. That's what the pomade looks inside. Mine is in the shade medium. And just so that I can show you both of these products, I'm going to use the pomade on this eyebrow and I'll use the brow powder duo on the other brow, just so that you can see and compare which one you like better. Okay, so I'm going to start using the pomade on my right eyebrow, and for that I'm using the Sigma Angle Brow E75 brush. It's just an angle brush. I really like this one because it is like the perfect shape for what I need. Alright, so that's one eyebrow completed using the Define and Pose Brow Pomade in medium. What do you think? I definitely really like how defined it made my eyebrow look. I still need to brush the product out though, so I'm going to use this spoolie just to make sure everything is well blended. Okay, so now we're going to do the other brow using the Color and Shape Brow Powder Duo in medium. It's this little compact right here, and I'm using the same brush, the Angle Brow E75 by Sigma. I just slightly cleaned it off to make sure that it doesn't have any of the pomade. Okay, and this is the second brow completed using the brow powder duo. What do you think? I think I like both brows, but the powder, I think it gives you a softer and a more natural look as opposed to the pomade that it's a little bit more defined. I do like that in this powder you get a lighter and a darker shade, so you can really play around and see what color combination works better for your brow. I know that some people like a lighter brow towards the front, so this duo will really allow you to customize and play around with the colors. I still really like both brows, but if you're asking me, I think I lean towards the powder one more just because I like the look of it, but I think the pomade worked really nice as well. And the next brow product I want to show you in this collection is going to be the Fill and Blend Brow Pencil. This is in the color medium. You can do a full brow using just the pencil, but it will give you a much softer and even more natural look. I personally was more interested in using the powder and the pomade, but I really like using this type of pencils for really small and sparse areas in my brows. Like, I still see that in the front of this brow. I have some little gaps in here that I can easily target with this pencil because the point of the pencil is going to be very small. So I'm going to go ahead and do that in both brows. So that's everything I'm going to do with the pencil. I don't have much to say about it. I think if you like the pencil form, you will really enjoy it because it does have a small and petite point, so it's really going to help you get into those areas where you want to create more hair-like strokes. The next product I want to show you in this collection is going to be the brow gel, and I personally have the clear and the medium one. They were so kind to send me both. So this type of product is going to be perfect to set your brows in place so that they don't move anywhere. I personally like to use clear ones whenever I have a full brow like today. Think of this as hairspray but for your brows. But I also like to use the tinted one. This one is in the shade medium for those days that you don't have time to do your brows but you still want something. You can definitely go with this tinted brow gel, and it's going to give you some coverage, but it's not going to be as intense as doing your full brow. But today, because I did full brows, I'm gonna use the clear one for demonstration purposes, but just know that the tinted one works really nice for those light days. And those are my brows after applying the brow gel. Obviously, it's not going to change the appearance of the brows because this one was clear, but I do want to mention that I really love the packaging in this brow gel product. It's very sleek, and I do have to mention that I really enjoyed the one in the brow gel just because I feel it's the perfect size. It's not too big, not too long, so it really fit perfectly in my brows, so I really like it. And now we have the last product in this collection. This is the Cleanup and Highlight Brow Crayon. It comes in the same pencil form as the brow wax, and you would see that this one actually has a slight pink tone to it. It's not completely white. You can apply this directly on the brow bone, but I personally like a more precise application, so I'm gonna be using this Sigma small angle E65 brush. You can use anything similar to this, or any small brush will work. You can again use it directly, but I just like the more precise application. So I'm gonna just slightly go in with the brush directly on the crayon, and I'm gonna apply this on the arch of my brow and drag it straight on this part of the brow so that I can really clean up my brow and highlight as well. And that's what it looks like. I think it does help to highlight the brow bone area. I definitely enjoy that it can really clean up any imperfections in your brow. I'm gonna be honest, at the beginning I didn't think I was gonna like that it had the pink color, but I think it looks really nice and it was easy to blend. You can also use concealer to clean up under the brow, but I think it's nice to have something like this if you liked. And just to quickly wrap up this video, I personally really love the Define Impose Brow Pomade and also the Color and Shape Brow Powder Duo. I think these two products work amazing. I really love how my eyebrows turned out. So you definitely have to check them out. I really enjoy them. I also really enjoy the brow gel. Like I said, today was not the first time that I used this. So when I've used this throughout the whole day, it really helps that your brows stay in place for a very long time. So I really recommend this one. So that's everything for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this review and try on the new brow collection from Sigma Beauty. I do have a discount code with them, which is Save with Jenny. I'll leave it down here in the description box if you're interested. And thank you to Sigma Beauty for sending these products to me. I am so grateful. But as always, all my opinions and thoughts are 100% my own. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't done that yet, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.